Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay, today we got something special for you guys. We're going to take a way back to the city where my family come from, and that's where we're going to be making some Chicago hot dogs. Here's the bread right here, poppy seed. We got some pickled spears right here, some neon relish, some sports peppers, some mustard, and some celery salt. Followed by tomatoes. We have 2 tomatoes right there, an onion, and we got our Vienna sausage right here. So we're going to be hooking it up, so stay tuned in. Alright. We're going to go ahead and get started with our Viennas. We're going to go ahead and get these popped open. We got to drain that juice out of there. When I tell you this is going to be the best, I mean the best Chicago hot dog you ever tasted, I am not lying. So, here's our Vienna beef that I was going to use, but I changed my mind. Because that's not the Vienna beef. Actually, this is the Vienna beef. Okay, that's what we're going to be using. We're going to rip that package open. I thought I'd give y'all some humor. You're like, what you gonna do with that? Can't make no no Chicago hot dog with them little things. So we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven. Let them toast up. Put it on this paper. Spray them apart a little bit. We're going to toast up pretty good. We're going to put that oven on like 350. I'm not rushing it. I just want them to get nice and toasted. Alright. When them bad boys get done, I'll show you what we're going to do next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We'll go ahead and get started with these vegetables. We're going to go ahead and cut these in halves, like so. Lay it down like that. Get that part off. We're just going to cut these bad boys up like so. Alright. Put these bad boys over here on the plate. Take another one. Alright. Tomatoes. Put this in the cut. Alright, now I'm going to wash this board off and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and get this onion going. Okay. Get some of that skin off of there. I'm going to go ahead and cut these in slices because I'm not going to use this whole onion. Like I said, people in my family don't like the onions. Why? I don't know. They're good for you. Good for your complexion. Okay. We're going to do this. Turn that bad boy over like that. Okay. Okay. Turn that bad boy around like that. Let's chop. Try not to cry. I didn't know what would make you cry. Okay. And I believe what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it in a separate container. Because they see that onion on this platter with them tomatoes and pickles, they're going to have a fit. And I tell you, they don't like the onions, they don't. Trust and believe. So I take the onions, take this container right here, this little dish, just set them suckers up in there. This is how you build a Chicago hot dog. Always get your station ready. And of course, I'm going to have to wash this again. And wash my hands. Okay? So I'll just put that over there. In its own little spot. Okay? Some pickles. Use my apron. Alright. Put your pickle right down. Could use let's get that. And remember, we're gonna need 8 of these bad boys. Now what I normally do, because sometimes they be too big, I cut these bad boys in half. So if you do that, you only need 4. I'm gonna put 8 of these bad boys on there. Okay? I lost track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There goes 8. Right there. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. But before all that, I'm gonna go ahead and get these sports peppers out of here. Wash this off. I'm gonna put 2 of these bad boys on there. Grab air that time, didn't I? Alright. Neon relish. Okay. So that should be enough right there. The neon relish. And we have the makings for a Chicago hot dog. All we need now is the celery salt and the mustard and the bread. I'll put that in the sink and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and start building on these hot dogs. Take our wieners, put them in there. And we'll go ahead and get started. Putting our condiments and stuff on there. We're going to go ahead and start with our 2 tomatoes. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and start with our neon relish. We'll go ahead, neon relish. Alright, I'll make sure everything looks good. Look good to you? Thank you. And we go in with our mustard. Alright, I'm going to put onions on some of these. Alright, put some onions like that. Put onions on 3. How about that? Alright. Yep, we just do onions on 3. I don't want to get carried away and end up having some onions on somebody else's stuff. So, anyway, we'll take our pickle, 2 squash peppers, now you see why I say cut the pickle in half? But I'm being generous today, so I ain't gonna trip on it. Okay. Okay. Like it's going ready to collapse, so I'm gonna go ahead and just support that. I can support it with these tongs. Okay. Celery salt. You don't need a lot of this now, just a little bit. Sprinkle a little bit on there, dust it. This make a big difference. I tried this without the celery salt. I'm like, this don't taste like a Chicago hot dog. So let me put some in my hand because I'm scared. I don't want to drop a whole bunch on there. Yeah. See that? It's normally how I season stuff anyway. And I made too many mistakes before dropping stuff, putting too much on. Okay. Alright. There you have it. Chicago hot dogs. From my home to yours. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy around because he wanted fall. Chicago hot dogs. See if you guys can see that. Zoom in a little bit for you. So if you guys like what you see, please comment at the comment section. Like and share with your friends. Where Veldar be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.